Experiencing slow internet speeds, frequent disconnects, or general connectivity issues with your Rogers Xfinity Gateway. You should restart your gateway if you notice problems like websites loading slowly, video streaming buffering constantly, or your Wi Fi devices failing to connect. Restarting it is often the quickest and easiest solution. Think of it as a reset button for your internet connection. A restart clears temporary memory issues, refreshes your connection with your ISP, and applies any pending updates. It's a safe process that preserves your settings, unlike a factory reset. Recent Xfinity gateways even have AI-driven diagnostics that may suggest a restart through the app, making it even easier to maintain optimal performance. There are three main ways to restart your Rogers Xfinity Gateway. Each method achieves the same result: a refreshed and optimized internet connection. First, the easiest is via the Xfinity My Account app on your smartphone, available for iOS and Android. Second, you can use the admin web page. Open a web browser on a device connected to your network and type 10.0.1 into the address bar. Finally, if all else fails, you can use the physical reset button on your gateway. Locate the power button or small reset button on the back or side of the device.